Videos provide 24/7 access to property tours, eliminating scheduling conflicts. Buyers can view listings anytime, reducing reliance on seller availability and ensuring no missed opportunities for interested buyers. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. High-quality video tours allow buyers to experience properties virtually, minimizing the need for in-person showings and saving time for agents, sellers, and buyers alike. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Cinematic video tours attract serious buyers, pre-qualifying interest before physical visits. This reduces disruptions for sellers and ensures a more efficient showing process. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Virtual tours give buyers detailed views of a property's layout and features, minimizing the need for repetitive in-person showings and simplifying the process for agents. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. With video, properties can reach a global audience. Buyers from different locations can explore homes virtually, expanding opportunities and reducing scheduling challenges. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Videos reduce the pressure on sellers to prepare their homes repeatedly, offering buyers a consistent and polished view of the property anytime. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Professionally edited videos highlight the property's best features, attracting serious buyers and reducing the need for frequent in-person visits to evaluate options. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Drone footage included in videos showcases a property's surroundings, providing buyers a complete picture without the need for multiple in-person visits. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Narrated video tours eliminate the need for repetitive explanations, providing buyers with all the necessary information without disrupting sellers' schedules. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Videos enhance the showing process by preemptively addressing buyers' questions, reducing follow-ups and simplifying decision-making for both buyers and agents. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. On-demand videos enable agents to showcase properties to multiple buyers simultaneously, streamlining the process and avoiding scheduling conflicts. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Virtual tours reduce wasted time on showings with unqualified buyers, ensuring only serious buyers schedule in-person visits after viewing the property online. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info. Videos capture the property in its best light, ensuring consistent quality that may be harder to maintain during repeated in-person showings. Learn more at clearpitch.com/free info.